So this is my Engineering 122 project for spring of 2020. So the problem I was trying to solve was water freezing in pipes when the temperature gets too low. Sometimes in wintertime, when the water temperature gets too low, it'll freeze pipes and cause them to break, and can cause serious flooding damage and cost a lot of money to fix. So this was meant to be a device to prevent that. So the idea behind the device is basically a water temperature sensor here in this pipe would detect the temperature of the water flowing through it and then take this, relay it to an Arduino. I didn't have any good soldering equipment, so all I could do was these jumper wires. So these are the different connections. The black goes to ground, the red goes to the 5 volts, and the blue wire here connected by the yellow jumper goes to the analog read back here. Then the Arduino would take that information and process it, figure out what the temperature of the water was, and if it approached freezing, if it got too close, within 1 or 2 degrees, it would send a signal out, and, well, in this case it would light up an LED, but the intent would be to activate a transistor, which would activate a relay, which would turn on heaters in the pipes to heat the water back up and keep it from freezing and bursting the pipes. So basically the only sensors I used in this was this single temperature sensor here, and it was fairly cheap. Just got it off of Amazon. This pretty much only incorporates some electrical engineering principles, nothing too complicated. I would have shown more, but I didn't actually have access to things to make this a reliable connection, and I didn't have a good way to actually show it in action because time constraints and not enough requirements. And sorry about the poor video quality, but I don't have anything to use this except for my phone. I don't have any good video recording software or hardware or anything like that. So that's my project. Bye.